Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. On the left, we have the ARRIphase Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera, and on the right, the GMA Pop Dash Cam. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The ARRIphase Dash Cam boasts FHD 1080p resolution, capturing clear and detailed footage during the day and night. But hold on tight, because the GMA Pop Dash Cam takes it up a notch with its real 4K+1080P dual camera setup. That's right, folks, it's like watching your favorite movie in Ultra HD. The GMA Pop Dash Cam wins this round for its superior video quality. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ARRIphase Dash Cam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can even share your footage on social media with just a tap. But wait, the GMA Pop Dash Cam also offers Wi-Fi and a smartphone app, allowing you to access, download, and share your videos on the go. It's a tie in this category, folks. Both cameras offer convenient connectivity options. Time to discuss installation. The ARRIphase Dash Cam wins the race here with its slim and compact design, taking up minimal space on your windshield. It's super easy to install, even for first-time users. On the other side, the GMA Pop Dash Cam offers two installation options, giving you the flexibility to record either the front or rear of your vehicle. It's a tie again, folks. It all comes down to personal preference. Let's dive into the special features now. The ARRIphase Dash Cam offers a 24-hour parking mode with collision detection and time-lapse recording for around-the-clock protection. Plus, it supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards. But hold your horses, because the GMA Pop Dash Cam also has a built-in G sensor for accident lock and a 24/7 parking monitor. It even captures footage at a low frame rate for continuous surveillance. It's another tie, folks. Both cameras have some impressive special features. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The ARRIphase Dash Cam comes at a budget-friendly price of $59, while the GMA Pop Dash Cam is priced slightly higher at $99. If you're looking for a more affordable option, the ARRIphase Dash Cam takes the win in this category. The ARRIphase Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is highly recommended for its small size, good video and sound quality, clear instructions, user-friendly app, and excellent customer service. Overall, it is a solid choice with great support. On the other hand, the GMA Pop Dash Cam is praised for its easy installation, functionality, picture quality, and smartphone app for downloading and sharing recordings. Despite some minor issues, it is considered a good value for the price. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the ARRIphase Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera and the GMA Pop Dash Cam. In terms of video quality, the GMA Pop Dash Cam takes the lead. Connectivity is a tie, while the ARRIphase Dash Cam wins in installation. Special features are tied again, and if you're on a budget, the ARRIphase Dash Cam is the winner. It's up to you to decide which features matter most to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping!